Mix detergent with lime and you will not believe the result after 10 minutes. This tip is very efficient and certainly what will bring ease in cleaning your dishes. To start today's tip, let's add only the juice of 4 lime in 1 container. Ideal for this mixture is also salt. We will use 4 tablespoons. This is one of the main items for this tip, mainly for its abrasive effect, which acts directly on the contact of the sponge and facilitates the removal of stains and dirt. We will also add 200 milliliters of vinegar, aiding directly in the mixture by its alkaline effect. Enjoy and tell me if you use lime for cleaning in your home. Remembering that we should always mix as soon as we add a new ingredient. To finish, we will also use 500 milliliters of detergent, being the main ingredient of this mixture, mainly by acting directly against fat. The detergent is used to clean the dishes, but here in this tip in contact with the other ingredients will enhance its effect and facilitate the cleaning of the dishes. With this, we will have our mixture ready for use. To facilitate the application, we will put all this mixture in the traditional detergent packaging, also facilitating storage. This package has a capacity of 500 milliliters and is already enough for use for at least a month, using only a small amount because it is more effective than conventional products sold in the markets. And before I forget, tell me which city is watching us to send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Janet Turner from Michigan. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. This mixture is perfect for cleaning the pots, but we can use in all kitchen items. Only using the sponge we can perform the complete cleaning. If you prefer, you can even use a steel sponge to facilitate the removal of stains. Best of all, only with this small amount of products that we all have at home, we get a very effective mixture without any cost and very effective. Tell me later what result you had when using this tip in your home and also about other tips that you use only with these few ingredients. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.